As questions mounted on the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine trials in India after a 40-year-old participant fell sick and sought damages of 5 crore rupees, the Serum Institute of India responded to allegations by preparing a 100 crore rupees defamation suit against him. Here's all you need to know. The institute issued a statement on Sunday stating that there is absolutely no correlation with the vaccine trial and the medical condition of the volunteer. He is falsely laying blame for his medical problems on the trial. According to a PTI report, the 40-year-old man who took part in the Covishield vaccine trial in Chennai alleged serious side effects including a virtual neurological breakdown and impairment of cognitive functions and sought 5 crore rupees compensation besides seeking a halt to the trial. The 40-year-old Chennai man, who was a volunteer for the third phase of the COVID vaccine trial conducted by the Serum Institute, was administered the dose at Chennai's Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research on October 1st. According to the person's legal notice, which was filed on November 21st, 10 days later, he began experiencing severe headaches, total behavioral change, and irritation towards light and sound. Subsequently, the notice claims he could not recognize or speak to anyone. On October 26th, he was discharged from hospital after suffering from acute encephalopathy that the notice claims was an extreme side effect of the COVID vaccine. The Indian Council of Medical Research, one of the sponsors besides the Serum Institute and Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, which administered the vaccine to the man, have been served with the notice along with the one to Serum Institute to stop testing, manufacturing and distributing the vaccine. The institute also responded by saying it is evident that the intention behind the spreading of such malicious information is an oblique pecuniary motive. The Serum Institute of India will seek damages in excess of 100 crore rupees for the same and will defend such malicious claims. The Drugs Controller General of India and the Institutional Ethics Committee at the implementation site are investigating if the adverse event, as claimed to have been suffered by the COVID-19 vaccine trial participant, are related to the shot administered to him. While the investigations will now carry on, experts say that the lack of transparency in such cases remains a concern. They also say that any serious adverse effects of a new vaccine, though cannot be ruled out, it must be communicated by the regulator and the developers. In this case, media reports have only highlighted the issue. Moreover, some experts also expressed concerns on how the institute completed the phase 3 trial despite an incidence of the adverse side effects.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.